everyone, JKD Sifu, Mike Goldberg with JKD Sifu, Redmond Bray, and Halton City. Welcome to another session of JKD Old Fart Friday Night. And believe me, we're a couple old farts, but we're going to have fun anyway, right? So tonight, we're going to share with you something that we just practiced earlier today, and it is called leg immobilization attack. I know you've heard other JKD principles of attack, like single direct attack, hand immobilization attack, but this one is something we sort of like to play with because Ray and I use it a lot. It is called leg immobilization attack. When Ray's going to push me, I'm going to step back and sidestep, and notice how I control his arm or elbow with my palm thumb up. When he does that, I'm going to palm strike and step on his lead foot, immobilizing or trapping that foot, continuing arcing his head, compressing with this hand here, stepping through with my right foot, smashing him into the wall. When you do this, do it very carefully.